Yazi mina sengibonile ukuthi asikho isidingo sokusaba la emhlabeni ukuthi kuyokwenzekalani noma kuzokwenzekalani in the near future based on izinto ezenzekalayo currently. Asikho isidingo sokusaba. But one thing ongayisaba la, ungazisaba wena ukuthi wena uyokwazi ukulalela uma ngabe umdali ekhuluma nawe uma ngabe usaphila kanje. Yilokho kuphela. La kudinga ukulalela. God the creator loves us so much and wayengeke asibeke la bese asishiya kanjalo. Thina we are constantly guided because God is always talking. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ours is to listen kuphela. But because thina we want what we want ngesikhathi esikufuna ngaso nangalendlela esithanda ngayo thina, sigcina sesi-oppose the flow of the universe, what God is saying. If God says wait, when I want to take. If God says take, when I want to wait. Because ucheme nalokho kusengqondweni yakho. That is the only thing that we can be afraid of. Yabo makusuke kuthiwa wazi ngisho inani ley'nwele ezisekhanda. Lonto isho ukuthi there is nothing under this sun, under the universe that goes unnoticed. Ayikho ngisho yodwa, alikho ngisho lodwa iphutha elenzekalayo. Yabo yonke into yenzeka according to the plan and uyenzeka ngesizathu. No one is against anyone. Life is not against people. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngenxa ukuthi sinomsindo engqondweni zethu. Ingqondo zethu zinomsindo kakhulu. Kodwa iqiniso lithi izikhathi zobunzima ziyafika, izikhathi zobumnandi futhi ziyafika. Ziyafika zombili lezi zikhathi. But umehluko ukuthi uma zifika lezi zikhathi wena wenzani? What is your reaction? Yabo. Ngoba la kumele uhlezi wazi ukuthi I'm constantly guided and I'm loved by the universe. Futhi konke kusebenzelana kube ngokuhle. Yabo. Inkinga la ihlezi kumuntu. Ngihlezi ngikusho lokho. Akazi inkinga yaba khona empilweni, akazi inkinga yaba khona kwi-universe. Yabona i-universe ihlezi ifuna ukuzibalansa nokuzirebalansa ngaso sonke isikhathi. So everything that is happening in your life is only a matter of balancing things. Yabo? It's a matter of balance. When you have to take it as it is. Yabo? Nothing is against you, no one is against you. Nje we are constantly guided. Lento ifana nani lento le? Ifana nokuthi mhlambe wena ngoba umdali ukufunela konke okuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi and ubona la wena ungaboni khona because it's not limited by space and time. But ngoba yena uyazi ukuthi lento ifunayo izokulimaza kangakanani nini kuphi akakabi isikhathi esiright because yena uyi mathematician, is very calculative. Yonke into yenzeka ngqo to the T. Wena ke because wena une disorder and chaos. Mangithi wena I'm referring to a human. Yena une chaos ngoba ne unomqondo, umqondo wakhe uconscious, akafani neanimal. Yena uzo calculator based on what is happening right now. Elimitwe yena is space and time. Yabo? Engakanyukeli kwi-level noma highest consciousness yokuthi akwazi ukuxhumana ne-higher power because umdali lo ukhuluma ngaye wena noma umdali noma uNkulunkulu noma i-creator, whatever you may call it, noma umveli nqange noma umveli kuqala, whatever you call it, uwena ukuwena futhi. Yabo? Ngoba wena uwedwa u2 ngoba kune-higher self ne-lower self. I-higher self is always watching you frustrated, you worrying about things, is always watching. But you as a higher self so ukhohliwe lokho ukuthi you as a lower self so ukhohliwe ukuthi kune higher self and the higher self is always watching like a light. But if you hold on a second and revert back to what is aware of you being aware, you need to be aware of what is aware. That is the creator. That is God. Yabona thina esimeditator masenze meditation we realize ukuthi oh no man, zonke lezi story, wonke lama beliefs, yonke lento engizitshela yona yenzeka emqondweni, and that is the lower self. that is worrying, but the higher self is watching. And if I revert back to what is watching me, watching those thoughts, that one is always there. Ayindawo. Yabo? Leyo ayindawo. Kunento emile engayindawo. Ebuka wena. Wena uyona lo. Yabo, that thing that is aware of yourself. That is the true creator that you are. You are God. And that one is always there right now. Is not limited by space and time. Yabo, ngoba kuhlezi kuyimanje kuyena. Ikusasa alikho. Isikhathi asikho. Omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscience. Into emile nje engaguquguquki ile oyiyo. But within that there's worries within. Angithi yabo, ngasho ngathi mina lento ifanisa ne-TV, i-television, okukuthi ihlezi imile kanje. But there are contents that are playing within it. Yabo, those contents that are playing within it, they are not aware of the screen, but the screen is there. Whatever is happening, but the screen is always there. Umsebenzi wethina is to revert back to the screen every time imiqondo yethu esicreate ama stories that might not even happen. Is to revert back to the screen, to remember that the screen always loves you. The screen always there. The screen knows what there is you, and the screen only knows you. If when ucela kuwe phela ukuthi kumele uxhumane nalento engikhuluma ngayo mina, ngoba iyakubona, ngoba iwuwe, iyakuzwa futhi ngesikhathi ucela ukuthi ukusiphi isimo, iyakuzwa ukuthi ucela nje ukusiphi isimo, iresponda yona to isimo esizwayo ngoba izwa ngawe. Isimo uma ngikhuluma ngokuzwa ngikhuluma in terms of emotions, ukuthi iyakuzwa ngoba iwuwe, iyakuzwa ukuthi lo muntu lo lento ayishoyo uyayikholwa yini, lo muntu lento athi izokwenzeka uyayikholwa yini, noma lo muntu uhopeless. And lento iresponda to indlela wena ozizwa ngayo. Izizwa this thing ijulile. Umdali wefuna ukuzwa ukuthi kunjani kuba umuntu waba uwe. Uyena wena in this fashion. So uye mawudiniwe wena kusuka kudinwe yena. Loyo wakho uNkulunkulu. Uno wakho nawe, owakho uzizwa ngawo ukuthi kunjani ukuphila. That is why athi umuntu owami uNkulunkulu uyaphendula. Yingoba wena ithini relationship yakho nalento engikhuluma ngayo. Kodwa yona ikazi kulahle. Iwena. Ukuba ikulahlile ngaba usekho la emhlabeni. Futhi ayisoze yakulahla ngoba ingazilahla kanjani yona. Mina ngikubaba, ubaba ukimi. Mina bengizothi masicela, myself included, sicela usiphe izindlebe zokukulalela. Uma sikwazi ukulalela, ngoba umdali okhuluma ngendlela eziningi okwethu ukulalela, kodwa iego yethu yasivimba ukuthi sizwe ukuthi uthini. Ngoba ngisho a tiniest thing eyenzekile empilweni osukwini la namhlanje kune lesson ebekumele ukuthi uyifunde lapho, kodwa iego ngeke ivume ngoba izothini, I was right, I was this because I'm this, because bengicasukile bekufanele ngikhulume kanje, because you will always defend yourself when God is talking. Iyona into ekumele ukuthi sicele leyo. Nkosi ngicela ukuzwa nakusasa nakusihlwa kuwe ngingasuki.